Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best string trimmers we've tested available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best string trimmers we've tested, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Husqvarna 330 ECL Combi Switch Plus String Trimmer. Husqvarna is highly regarded for its chainsaws among those who make a living chopping down trees, so it should come as little surprise that its string trimmers are pretty darn good too. We got the chance to test drive the 36-volt battery-powered 330 ECL and didn't come away disappointed. Having high expectations for the Husqvarna brand, we set it loose on denser brush, clearing tall weeds off the shoulder of a local bike path. With its thick .095 titanium force line and broad 18-inch cutting width, we thrashed through vegetation with ease. This Husqvarna holds up well, too. After extensive testing, we experienced no decline in power, thanks to Husqvarna's active cooling tech, or any snafus with line feed. In short, you won't find a tougher or more powerful string trimmer not powered by a gas motor. Number 2. Ego SD 1623T String Trimmer. Ego pulled out the stops in engineering this string trimmer. Start with the fact that you never have to bump feed the head, instead it feeds out string automatically. When you run out of line, simply feed a pre-cut length through the head and press the rewind button at the end of the shaft. The string zooms into the head in seconds. Our test found the 56-volt brushless motor delivers power to spare. A 2-speed selector switch enables you to choose between going full out at vegetation or dialing back the speed for around delicate shrubs. A telescoping shaft lets you adjust the length to suit your tastes, while a lightweight carbon fiber shaft makes it easier to handle. Number 3. DeWalt DCSD 972x1 String Trimmer. We attached a string trimmer accessory to DeWalt's massive 60-volt power head and waded into a drainage basin to face off with some tall stuff, slicing down weeds, grass, and light to medium briars as we went. If it wasn't such hard work, it would almost have been fun. The DeWalt more than proved its capability in that jungle. Then we slipped into its low RPM setting, tipped it vertically and cut a nice, neat channel at the edge of a sidewalk and along some curb. This is a substantial machine, weighing 13.4 pounds. But its balance is good, and we didn't find it tiring to use. Nor did we find problems with the string trimmer head that were referenced online. What we did find is a rock-solid trimmer capable of taking a pounding while delivering a clean cut. Number 4. Denali 4823 BOO String Trimmer Kit. Various Amazon brands we've tested haven't been worth wasting time or money on. This string trimmer from the online retail giant's Denali brand is an exception, turning in a surprisingly spunky performance. The dual .080 line head charged through weeds and tall grass like a champ, but we were particularly surprised at how well it did edging vertically. Just keep in mind that this is a light-duty trimmer, so be prepared to bump feed fresh line at a rapid clip as you edge. Other highlights of the Denali include a lightweight design that saves your arms and back, and a convenient high-speed, low-speed switch that allows you to throttle down to save your fences and shrubs. Number 5. Cat DG 610 60-volt String Trimmer. With a 60-volt battery and motor at its disposal, the Cat trimmer is a weed-slashing monster, capable of taking down anything we pointed it at. The only thing it failed to cut was a pair of finger-thick briar stalks. There is one trade-off for all that power: it's on the heavy side. The DG 610 weighs in at a back-straining 11 pounds, putting it in the vicinity of a gas engine trimmer. Along with its ample power, there were other things we liked about it. It's well balanced and comes equipped with a high-low speed switch that conserves its runtime. The Cat trimmer also runs so smoothly that, tipped vertically, it was as effective an edge as a small gas trimmer. We also appreciated the high-quality braided line it comes with, which beats out the stock line you get on most new trimmers.